Magandang araw. Ako po si Mark Lester Lirag at ito po ang aking daily devotion. Bakit may exorcism? Na tinalakay po ni Pastor Russell Ocampo sa 365 daily devotion. Ang Bible verse po ngayong araw ay galing sa Mark chapter 1 verse 23 to 27. Ang sabi po ay, "Just then a man in their synagogue who was possessed by impure spirit cried out, 'What do you want with us, Jesus of Nazareth? Have you come to destroy us? I know who you are, the Holy One of God.' 'Be quiet,' said Jesus. Sternly, 'Come out of him.' The impure spirit shook the man violently and came out with him with a shriek. The people were also amazed that they asked each other, 'What is this? A new teaching, and with authority. He even gives orders to impure spirits and they obey him.'" Ang first teaching ngayong araw is Jesus casted out demons. Sa mga gospel accounts ay paulit-ulit natin nakikita na si Jesus ay may authority over demons. Hindi siya natatakot sa kanila. Actually, ang mga demonyo pa nga ang natatakot sa kanya. Sabi sa Mark chapter 1 verse 23 to 24 ay, "What do you want with us, Jesus of Nazareth? Had you come to destroy us? I know who you are, the Holy One of God." Kaya kung si Jesus ay powerful over them, huwag tayong matakot sa mga demonyo. Second teaching is Jesus gave his disciples authority to the same. Sabi nga sa Matthew chapter 10 verse 1 ay at Luke chapter 9 verse 1 ay makikita natin na binigyan ni Jesus ng authority ang kanyang mga disciples para palayasin din ng masamang espiritu. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang si Jesus ang may kakayahan kundi pati tayo. Kung tayo ay nasa panig ng Panginoon. Sabi nga dun sa Acts chapter 16 verse 16 to 18 shows Paul casting out the spirit from a slave girl sa pangalan ni Jesus. Ang last teaching is Jesus' disciples exercise in Jesus' name. Importante ito. Hindi sa pangalan natin, kundi sa pangalan niya. Sabi nga sa Acts chapter 19 verse 11 to 16 tells us about the some men who tried to drive out demons without really knowing Jesus. An evil spirit said, "Jesus I know and Paul I know about, but who are you?" Then they got overpowered. Ang lesson dito ay authority comes from relationship from Jesus, not from rituals. Yun lamang po.